Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I have an app. This app can be more interesting to people who are into developing, like who are into developing of website, developing of apps. So this app can help you in developing a prototype for your app. So before we start, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and like the video as well. Let's begin. The name of this app is Marvel. So basically, they have their web portal as well, in which you can design your various kind of prototype. You can upload your sketches and you can use it. Like you can use it to display on your phone. So when you start developing your UI, the user interface, so you have various options in this app. So before that, let's just read the description of this app. What this app actually says. So the description of this app goes like Marvel lets you create amazing interactive app design and prototypes on your iPhone or iPad. So basically, it is also available for Android devices. As far as I know, I have seen their website. So this is also available for Android and iOS devices. So it says that it can help you to create amazing app interface for your iPhone, iPad, and also it has support for Apple Watch as well, and it has a pretty long description. They have also given like how you can design the app, you can design the prototype in this. And apart from this, talking about the privacy thing, so this they just need your contact details for signing up for the app. So as I told you, they have their web portal as well, so you can work on your web portal or on the mobile app. You can work on both the platforms to develop your app, and you can also share this portfolio to your clients or whoever you want to share it with. So let's just get to the mobile screen and see how this app is, how its interface is, how we can use it to create various prototypes. So here's the app, guys. Marvel Design and Prototype. So as I told you, this is the interface. You can add various animation. You can share this app. This is the long description about this app. You can check it out by the link given below. So here are some of the reviews and the data links. So as I told you, you have to sign up for this app to link your web portal and the app. So it will be asking your mail ID and basic information, and it's available in 24 more languages other than English. So yes, let's just open this app. The rating for this app is 4.6. Let's just open it. So this is the initial interface of this app. This is how the app opens. So if you can see, I've already created 2 or 3 projects. These are all demo projects. So if you want to create a project, you just have to click over here. Then you get to name your project. So let's just name it as ABC. Just make it done. And then you can select the device. So what device you want to see this interface. So as you can see, you have various ranges of device from iPhone 6. So in the series of iPhone X, you can see the mobiles like iPhone X, 11, whoever are having a full screen with a notch display. And then there are small devices as well, iPhone 6, iPhone 4s, 5, depending on various screen sizes. Then you have iPad, and then you have Apple Watch as well. If you switch to landscape, so you can view your project in landscape mode as well. So initially, let's start with portrait mode, and let's just select iPhone 11 and let's just make it done. So this is done. So you can also view some video over here, how to add the images or whatever you want to add. So you can add your design, you can create a design. So if you want to draw something, you can draw. So let's just try drawing something. Let's just try creating a box. So I'll just create a box over here. Okay. And if you want, you can add some text. So this is a Lorem Ipsum text. Let's just add the text over here. Okay. Let's make it done. So the first screen is added over here. So it's uploading to the project, so it's uploading to the cloud, so you can view this from your web portal as well. Then let's just add an image in next screen. So let's just select any random image from my gallery. I believe it's taking a long while. Okay, so you can crop the image, you can adjust the image over here. So let's just clip it this way and let's just crop it. So it's uploading here as well to the gallery. Okay, so you can select which image, which slide you want to be first. So this is the first slide. Then you can add a link. So let's just click over here, and this is the box. So this is the area where your link will be added. So let's just mark this box and link to image. So which image you want to link? So let's just link to this image what we have already added, and then you have a transition over here. So you can select like what kind of transition you want. So let's just select for swipe left, and let's just do it done and done. Okay, so it's done. So you have a play button over here. Once we click on play, our app is building and it's played. So if I click over here, as we have added the link to this box, so if I click over here, the next image is played. So similar wise, you can add some link over here as well, and you can add it to next image. So it's a kind of a slideshow, you can say, but it can help you in creating more creative designs. So once you're done playing with the app, and once you're ready with the app, so you can share this with any of your client or whoever is your partner or something who want to see this. You can just copy your URL, you can send it over mail, you can message it. You just have to copy this URL and you can share it over WhatsApp or any other platform, and it's not compulsory that other person should have this app or this web portal. So he just have to click on the link and he will be directed to our interface, how our flow goes, and he or she can use it directly. So this is what the app was. You can have multiple projects over here. You have my workspace, and then when you go to this setting option over here, so you get to see like there are various helping like how to get started. So if you see a video over here, this can help you how to get start. So there's an internet issue, so it will take a while to load, and then you get free printable templates as well. So there are templates for example, if you are not having the templates for various devices, so you can download it from here. Let's make it done. Then you have some workshop kit. You just have to give your details and you can get the workshop kit. So this is useful for your web browser. So I'll just leave the link for this the website for this as well. So you can go to the web browser as well and you can check out what all features you have. So yes, that was it for this app. That was it for portfolio creation. User interface creation. So yes, see you in the next video. So before going, I would request you to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and do follow me on Instagram for more such apps, more such short videos about the app. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.